Good day, everyone. We are the Green Grid Sustainable Energy Solutions, and we are here to present to you our pitch. First, let us see the major problem that we want to solve: the pollution brought by carbon emissions from vehicles. According to global statistics, around 15% of carbon emissions come from the transportation industry. With this, private companies and government units are actually already creating different ways to solve it. It can be seen in the increasing trend of users shifting to electric-powered vehicles. Yes, this will reduce dependency on traditional gas that produces carbon emissions. However, the problem with electric vehicles is that electricity is also generated with the utilization of fossil fuels and other non-renewable energy resources. This electricity generation alone accounts for almost 30% of carbon emissions. Hence, let us, the Green Grid Sustainable Energy Solutions, introduce you to our product, a biogas-powered electric vehicle charging station that we call the BEV Charging Station.
The BEV charging station uses an alternative fuel called biogas, a product of a process called anaerobic digestion. The goal of the BEV charging station is to provide carbon-neutral options to charge electric vehicles and reduce the generated solid waste from different cities and municipalities. The carbon in biogas comes from renewable sources. The process of producing and using biogas does not contribute to an increase in atmospheric carbon dioxide levels, making it a carbon-neutral technology. By utilizing organic waste produced by the community, waste segregation will be implemented better and solid waste dumped in landfills will be significantly reduced. Biogas EV charging stations sources its energy from waste products, utilizes a simple and low-maintenance process, and a long-term benefits for the environment. Hence, it provides energy at a cost-effective means. Biogas EV charging stations sources its energy from waste products, causing it to not depend on public utilities and traditional grids. For LGUs who are constantly finding ways to promote electric public utility vehicles, Green Grid Energy Solutions introduces the BEV charging stations. A venture between our organization and LGUs guarantees a more environmentally friendly, faster, and cheaper charging service for electric PUV drivers. By delivering clean, renewable energy for quick, easy charging, our BEV charging stations enables the local government units' public utility vehicles to adopt to eco-friendly charging. Utilizing the organic waste produced by the city allows us to minimize the amount of waste placed in landfills while also converting it into usable energy.
Here we can see the layout of the prototype of the BEV charging station. In this image, we can see the dimensions of the digester, mixers, and actual charging stations that will power the e-vehicles. Green Grid Energy Solutions will opt to adopt a licensing model wherein the local government unit will be in a contract enabling the use of our licensed technology to operate the charging stations. It is not only that income is generated on our end, but the intellectual property is safeguarded and respected. At the starting price of just 2.5 million pesos, this will allow Green Grid Energy Solutions to provide the infrastructure needed, construct the charging stations, and provide maintenance services. At this price, LGUs will be treated to 20 charging stations that can output 25 kilowatt per hours of electricity to 20 e-tricycles and can accommodate more e-vehicles in the future. Currently, there are only a few EV charging stations in the Philippines. The biggest competitors present as of now are the UniOil EV Drive, the Shell Recharge Station, and the SME Vehicle Charging Station. Of the three mentioned, only UniOil EV Drive offers a similar sustainable solution by using solar energy as the main power to charge their charging stations. However, the target market of Uni-Oil EV Drive is different as we plan to target the LGUs instead of the EV owners. With our product being the first of its kind in the market, it gives us a unique edge over our competitors as we offer a unique and effective sustainable solution to the needs of our customers. Now, as mentioned, the target market for our product is the LGUs in the Philippines. This would give our product a total available market of 1,489 municipalities and 145 cities, which amounts to a total market of 1,634. Out of the available market, however, we will be limited to the local government units with initiatives or programs that involve clean and green initiatives for the city or municipality. This would still amount to 817 of the total available market. Finally, for the serviceable obtainable market, only the local government units who have the capability of financing such a large project was considered, and this results in a serviceable obtainable market of 150.
For our organizational structure, we have Alex Catalan as our director, Alvin Gonzalez as the head of finance, Ian Paner as the chief of operations, and Angelica Montemayor as our head of marketing. For our financial projections, here we have our projected yearly net income statements from years 1 to 10, wherein our operational level increases every year. Here we also have our project cash flows from years 1 to 10, and we can see that our net present value at 14% is equal to 40,718,435 pesos and 72 cents. For our funding strategy, we will ask our investors a total capital of 7,500,000 pesos so that we have some leeway from our projected initial cost of 7,322,807 pesos and 38 cents, which is the summation of our cost of goods for the first project of year 1, our capital expenditures, and our operational expenditures. And lastly, our project milestones are achieving a 200% capacity at year 10, having a price increase of 6% every 2 years starting at year 4, having or capturing 50% of the total service obtainable market, and repaying all our interest from the bank and principal at year 4. Once again, we are Green Grid Sustainable Energy Solutions, here to say we use your waste to fuel our future. Thank you very much.